Look what we have here. What's up, Gadgeteers? My name is Hector and this is Gadget Beard, and on this channel I unbox and review everyday tech, gadgets, and accessories for you. And in today's video we have the newly released Xbox Series X in the house. Had this on Tuesday, just been busy working my ass off and I hadn't had time to unbox it. But we're gonna go ahead and unbox it today and see. I'm pretty sure you guys know what's inside, but let's do this unboxing anyways. We have the Xbox Series X box here. We got Power Your Dreams in the back, which looks awesome. 1 terabyte, 4K, 120 frames per second game console here. You have these nifty pull tabs here on the side. Let's go ahead and remove those. And what that does is how does this unbox? I don't know what that does. Do we have other pull tabs here? Yeah, we do. And oh my God, this thing is heavy. 4 pull tabs in general. They're making it easy for you, so you don't have to struggle to unbox this bad boy. Let's see what we got. Oh, look at this boxing experience. Is awesome. Power Your Dreams. Looks amazing. Now, I believe this is the Xbox here itself. So let's go ahead and pull this box out here. Boom. In the back, let's set this aside real quick. And in this box, we have all our necessities to install and power your Xbox Series X. You have a 2.1 ultra high speed HDMI cable right there. You have your power cord right there. And the Xbox Series X controller with batteries. So they did give you a pair of batteries there, but this is the controller. Feels very textured. At the back end you have this very textured material there. Xbox Type-C, your connection buttons. Feels very similar to last year's Xbox controller, with the only key difference is this sharing button there. You can share this. The joystick feels a lot solid. Feels good in hand. Xbox battery. Would have loved to see an internal battery on this, but they don't do that. So we do have these double A's here. So let's go ahead and put this controller aside. And I believe nothing else is in here. Let's go ahead and put this aside. Put the Xbox controller there. Cable, battery, and what we all came here for is the Xbox. Look at that bad boy. Bam. Looks amazing. What great presentation. Oh, this bad boy is heavy. Very, very heavy. Oh man. Just some foam and some quick reference guide here inside. Additional support, how to install the batteries, how to pair your controller and your ports in the back. You have, I'll keep this inside. Download the Xbox app to set up the console. So you have to download the Xbox app to set up your console this time around. Let's go ahead and put that outside. But look at this bad boy here. Bam. Look at this. Power Your Dreams. Very, very, very heavy. Let's go ahead and remove this sleeve. this wrapping paper. Oh my God. Look at what we have here. Bam. Doesn't it look beautiful? This is a badass device. Not as big as I thought it was going to be. You do have that stand there at the bottom, so you can stand it vertically. Xbox, hello from Seattle. You have that rubber rounded stand there, or you do have rubber feet there. If you want to go ahead and lay it on the side, you mostly definitely can. And you have all your ports here on the back. You do have your storage suspension slot there, HDMI out, power outlet, Ethernet cable, and 2 USB ports there. And you do have a locking key there if you want to go ahead and secure it somewhere. But on the front, you do have your slot for your 4K Blu-rays. You do have a USB port there to pair, power button, injection. Very simple design, very minimal, because the look of the console doesn't matter. What matters is what it can do. And this thing can do 4K, 120 frames per second. I'm pretty sure y'all seen all the Xbox videos. There's plenty of content creators out there that had this way in advance, way before me. I had to wait like you and pick it up on launch day. Microsoft didn't send this to me, but hey, if you're out there, hit me up, man. Send me one. I'll be waiting. But this was just a quick unboxing. This is what you're gonna get when you buy your retail version of the Xbox Series X. I'm gonna do a lot of content on this. I don't have a 4K 120 frames per second TV yet with HDMI 2.1. There's been a lot of issues, a lot of unknown facts with that. Does it support variable frame rates, all kinds of stuff. What I have right now in my office is a TCL 4K 60 Hertz TV. I'm gonna do a comparison to see if I can actually tell a difference between this Xbox Series X and my Xbox One X that I have right now that could currently game at 4K on that TV. Once I do get the proper TV so we can push this bad boy here, we'll do another comparison to see if it's worth it upgrading the TV right now or if it's not. But let me know down in the comment sections below if you picked up an Xbox Series X. Are you getting one? Are you thinking about picking one up? Or are you thinking about going the other route and picking up a PS5? I want to know in the comment sections below. Again, thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And like always, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.